Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am going to make this beautiful butterfly dot art that you can try out with your kids sitting at home. So let's get started. So let's start with the things that we need. We need a 6 inches MDF board. You also need these dotting tools for making the smaller dots. You can get these tools from our website. You can make bigger dots with these bamboo tools. If you don't have these tools and you want to try it for the first time, you can use toothpicks or the earbud. So I have made many other videos using these toothpicks and earbud previously. We'll also need a marking pencil and some colors that I will mention in the description below. So initially I have done the base coat with a black color. You can use a brush or you can use a sponge brush if you want. And then I have made a cutout from a regular paper in the shape of a butterfly. You can just search for any image in the Google search that you want to draw, and then I am just tracing the borders using a marking pencil. If you are very confident about the symmetry, you can just do it freehand or you can use this paper cutout. I was not very sure about the symmetry, that's why I've used this paper cutout. So friends, I'm starting up with the body of the butterfly. I am making a bigger dot. I'm using a bamboo tool for making this dot, and then I'm surrounding both the dot with slightly smaller dots, and then I will just taper or I'll just keep on decreasing the size of the dots from upside to the downside of the body. Then I'm using the smaller dotting tool, the metallic one, for making the tiny dots. Friends, now I'm making the antenna of the butterfly with a marking pencil. Now I'm making the wings of the butterfly. I'm making the borders of the wings of the butterfly using pearl white color, and I'm using the fine dotting tool and making the tiniest dot. In the meanwhile, I want to thank you all for helping me grow this channel. I also want to request you all, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the red color button, and help me grow this channel so that I can make more and more such videos. So friends, I have almost done with the border of the wings, and I am leaving a very small part of the lower part of the wings of the butterfly that I will do something else with that, and at the end of this video. And then I am making similar dots on the antenna of the butterfly. Now I am making few lines on the wings of the butterfly. Friends, now I am dotting the wings of the butterfly. I am making dots on the lines that I have made. I am using orange color here to make these dots. So I keep on decreasing the size of the dot from top to the bottom using bamboo tool, and then I am using fine dotting tool to make the tiny dots. Similarly, I am making teal color dots on the second line of both the wings. So friends, what I am planning is I'll be making the symmetrical wings. So two upper rows will be orange and teal color, and similarly the two bottom rows will be orange and teal color, and I'll do similarly as I've done it before. I'll continue making the tiny dots with a fine dotting tool. Now there was not much space for two rows, so I'm just making a single row. I'm making dots with crimson red color. So friends, now you can see we have a small space between these rows, so I'll just be filling it up with lemon yellow color. I'm making petal shape structure and what we call it walking the dots, and then I'm just filling these dots. Before making the tiny dots between the row, I decided to make some swirls at the top part of the wings. So I'm just making alternate pink, that is a pearl pink and teal blue color swirls. You can just check how I'm making it here. I'm just making a small dot and then dragging it down. Doing it similarly on the other side of the wing. Similarly, I'm making the alternate pink and teal swirls at the bottom of the part of the wing. Doing it on the other side as well. You have to make these swirls as close as possible. So now I'm making the tiny dots between the rows that I have left before. I'm just making small curves and filling up the space between the rows. So friends, if you don't have these dotting tools, you don't have to worry. You can use a normal toothpick that is easily available at home. So now I'm showing you how you can make with a toothpick. You can use toothpick making these tiny dots like these. You can also click the I button and check out my other videos that I have made with only the toothpick and the earbuds. So now I am done with making these tiny dots, and then we still have some space that we can fill it up with swirls. So I am using green color here, and I am also using the same dotting tool that I have used before, the tiniest one, and then I'm making these swirls. Doing it on the other side of the wings as well. If you don't have too much space for two swirls, you can just make a single swirl, and if you have more space, you can make two swirls. And I'm making small C-shaped structure, and basically I'm just walking the dots at the bottom part of the wings and then filling it up. So it's time for top dots. At first I'm doing the top dots on the body of the butterfly. And then I am proceeding towards the wings. I'm using golden color here for making the top dots on the crimson red color and the tail color, and also on the orange color, the bigger dots that I have made before. So friends, initially I decided to make tiny golden dots on the background of the butterfly, but as I made it, I was not getting a very good feeling. I thought it's too much chaos because already I have too many colors on the inside the butterfly. So later on I just erased it off, and I decided to keep it blank, and I am just now making a small border with crimson red color. So today's quiz question is, what was the mistake that I made in between the art and that I erased it later? So you have to answer this question in the comments below. So friends, I am almost done with this artwork, and I absolutely enjoyed making this artwork for you all. I hope you enjoyed watching it too. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I have checked that almost 75% of the people who are watching have not yet subscribed. So please subscribe it, and you can hit the thumbs up if you like my work, and you can comment below whatever you want to see in my next artwork. Love and peace from me to you. Take care. Bye bye.